Are you trying to figure out if your website is findable, searchable, discoverable on search engines like Google and Bing? Then you have made it to the right video. I have a super simple hack that will take less than 1 minute to find out if your website is searchable. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah from MariahMagazine.com, and on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your online business in a way that works for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest, quickest hack for finding out if your website is searchable on search engines. All right, let's kick it into the screen share. Okay, I'm not even kidding. This is going to take you less than a minute to check it for both of them. So go to Google, and if you have like AI mode on Google, then I want you to head over into the All tab. Basically, I want it to look like the old school traditional style Google. And then you're gonna type in site, and then your domain name. So here's an example of what that looks like for my website. And so we're just going to click enter on the keyboard. And right here, you can see that the pages of my website start to show up on Google. So that means that my website is findable, searchable on Google. So then we're actually just going to copy this and do the exact same thing with Bing. Open up Bing, go ahead and paste that bad boy in there, click enter on your keyboard, and you should see something very similar. So pages from your website. And so this is an indicator that yes, your website is findable and searchable on the search engine. If your website is not indexed on these search engines, and by indexed, I basically mean like the search engines don't really know that it's a thing, you're not in the Google or the Bing database, then you will see a screen that looks something like this, and it says did not match any document. So the screen might look a little different depending on when you are looking at this, but you will see something similar on both of them. So if this is what you are seeing, then I would recommend setting up Google Search Console and setting up Bing Webmaster Tools. These are two free tools created by each search engine to help them understand the web, and you can submit your website to them through those free tools. And how to do that, how to submit your sitemap, all of that fun stuff. I have tutorials that go through each of those processes, and I will leave the links to those in the video description box below. I'm interrupting this video really quick because I created something super fun and I want to share it with you. It's a free SEO assessment and scorecard so that you can find out how searchable your business is in Google and in AI tools. This free download will help you spot the gaps, make improvements, and start attracting the people already searching for what you offer. Go ahead and snag your free copy over at my website, mariahmagazine.com/scorecard, or I will leave the link to that in the video description box below. I told you that it was going to be a really quick hack, and I wasn't lying. I'm actually surprised at how quick and snappy I've made this video. And so that's it for today's video. If you guys found this video helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video is helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you have any questions about Google Search Console, about Bing Webmaster Tools, or anything like that, definitely leave me a comment below this video. I use your comments, your feedback, and your questions to inspire new videos on this channel. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.